Apsley Falls is in the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. It's got a very nice camping ground where we set up in comfort while some of the locals came to visit us. Next morning we decided to take the walk from the camping ground along the rim, and this will take us down past some nice viewing platforms down to the Apsley Falls Lookout, and from there we'll carry on and then cross over the new suspension bridge and walk round to the other side to look at the falls from a different angle. And also down to the lower falls. From here we'll retrace our steps back over the bridge and back to the camping ground. We leave the camping ground and almost immediately we can look down into the gorge. The track is well made, with probably wheelchair access to most of it. As we go along, we get great views down into the bottom of the gorge. We follow the track along between the gorge and the road, down to the landslip lookout, and from here we can look and see the landslip that occurred within the gorge. From there we carry on round to the Apsley Falls Lookout, and we reach the McMillan Lookout. This gives you great views of the falls. From this lookout there's a set of steps going down to another platform, and then from that down to the final lookout, which is cantilevered out over the gorge. Again, you get great views from here. From here you can also look across to the other lookout. And that's going to be our next objective. So we carry on round, walking along the edge of the river, and then we take the new suspension bridge across. Last time we were here a few years ago, the old bridge was out and a new one hadn't been built. At the far side, the track continues along the edge of the gorge. We arrive at the lookout, and we can look across the gorge and also to the lookouts where we had been just a little while before, perched on the edge of the cliff. From here you also get a very clear view of the bottom of the falls and the pond. We continue along this mid track, and we eventually get to the lookout, which allows us to look at the lower falls. And from here we can also look across to the other side and where our camping ground is.